is your supply. ठीक है? Now supply में first we have to study about stock and supply. Difference between stock and supply. Now stock is a concept which is measured at a point of time, and supply is a concept which is measured over a period of time which has a time dimension. Supply has a time dimension, stock does not have any time dimension. The another name of stock is intended supply and supply is actual supply. Okay, only 2 points you have to learn and you have to write in your exams. Difference between stock and supply. Stock means which is measured at a point of time and which does not have any time dimension. Understood? Next is your factors or determinants of supply. What are the factors affecting supply? Now, factors affecting the first point is your price of the commodity. Now, price of the commodity means when price increases, supply increases. Understood? When price increases, supply increases, and when price decreases, supply decreases, which shows direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. So in supply concept there is a direct relation between price and supply curve will be upward sloping. Supply curve is what? Upward sloping. So price of the commodity, price increase, supply increase. Then next point is your goals of the firm. What is the main goal of the seller or firm? To maximize profit. To maximize profits. Okay. Then you have future expectation of prices. Future expectation of prices means that if a seller is expecting rise price in future, if a seller is expecting a rise price in future, this is future price. Future में price if it is increasing, then what will happen? Current supply will decrease and future supply will increase. This is your current supply and this is your future supply. Understood? So if a seller is expecting rise price in future, its current supply will decrease and future supply will increase. On the other hand, if seller is expecting fall in price in future, so its current supply will increase and future supply will decrease. This is the relation of future expectation of prices. Understood? Any doubt? No. Next is your input prices. Input prices means what is the another name of input? Factors of production. Factors of production. Input means factors of production. Resources which help in the process of production. That is factors of production, land, labor, capital. Now, how this affects the supply? How input prices affect the supply of a commodity? How it is affecting? If cost of production increases, if cost of production increases, then what will happen? Profit margin will decrease and supply will decrease. Understood? If cost of production will increase, then its profit margin will decrease, which result as a decrease in supply. On the other hand, if cost of production will decrease, then profit margin will increase and supply will automatically will increase. Right? So this affects the supply of a commodity, input prices. Input prices, how it affects the supply? If cost of production is increasing, profit margin decreasing and supply also falls. Okay? Then you have policy of taxation. Policy of taxation means if there is increment in tax, then supply will decrease. Right? And if tax charges is low, then supply will increase. Right? Then technology. How technology affects the supply of a commodity? How technology affects? Suppose if they are using advanced technology. So advanced technology में cost of production will be less, which results in profit margin more and supply will be more. If they are using advanced or improved technology which reduces the cost of production, which result in increase in profit margin and increase in supply. On the other hand, if they are using outdated technology or old technology they are using, so which results in cost of production will increase, which results in decrease in supply, and profit margin will also decrease. Understood? So this is the topic of state of technology, how technology affect the supply. So if they are using advanced technology, then supply will increase. If they are using old technology or outdated technology, that means supply will decrease. And next is price of related goods. Related goods which are related to each other, like substitute goods, tea and coffee. So in supply concept, what will happen? Suppose if price of tea increases, if price of tea increases, suppose from 10 rupees to 20 rupees, and suppose price of coffee is at rupees 10 only, so seller will sell more tea and less of coffee. Seller will sell more tea and less of coffee, because if price of tea increasing, so he will get profit from tea only, not from coffee. So if price of tea is increasing, supply of coffee will decrease. Supply of its related commodity will decrease, which shows inverse relation between price and supply. But in demand case, there is a direct relationship. But in supply case, it's opposite. If price of tea is increasing, supply of coffee will decrease. So these are the factors affecting supply. Price of the commodity, which shows direct relationship. Goals, main goal is to earn profit. Future expectation, if a seller is expecting rise price in future, he will supply less today, more in future. Input prices, that is cost of production. If cost of production increase, profit margin will decrease and result in decrease in supply. Taxation, tax increases, supply decreases. Technology, they are using advanced technology, the supply will increase. And related goods may substitute, that is price of tea increases to coffee, the supply will decrease. So these are the factors affecting and stock and supply. Understood? Any doubt?